Did you know that the dog walk, depending on the context, is a physical exercise that improves lower body mobility, strengthens quadriceps and calves, and activates the glutes? Did you know that the dog walk is also a guitar dance move created by T-Bone Walker, but made famous by American musician and singer Chuck Berry and adopted by other guitarists like Angus Young of AC/DC and Pete Townshend of The Who? I definitely didn't know that. Let's continue. And did you know that the dog walking is also one of the most recognized elements of voguing? Maybe yes. Characterized by walking or bouncing very close to the floor, mimicking the appearance of a dog, it's important to refer back to the beginning of this video, as it involves great mobility, balance, strength, and coordination, making it a challenging element that is present in both OldWay Vogue and Vogue Femme. Hola amigos, amigas, amigues, yo soy Abismal. Thank you for being here in these beginners Vogue Femme classes, and welcome to everyone. As you know, this element is challenging and requires our bodies to be warmed up. So I hope you warmed up before starting this video. Let's start with the practice. As always, we are going to do the basics of dog walking and then a small variation putting the basics into the practice. Please don't forget, leave your comment, share with your friends, and give me a like, support me so I can continue doing this content. And if you want me to see you doing this type of exercises, please tag me on your Instagram stories. I appear as Abi Abismal as always, and I can give you, if you want, my advices. Here's a warm-up that can help you start your third Vogue Femme class. The first thing we're going to understand is the posture. Our back should be straight in a line from our heels to our head. And just like we tried in our previous class with the catwalk, we're going to stick our chest out a little, tucking our shoulder blades back. The second thing is to bounce in this position. I recommend being next to a wall for support. And if you don't have one nearby, we're going to put our hands on our knees and bounce from there, letting out feet move as needed. Entonces, last slide, we're going to start kicking. We can do a big kick, or to start, I'd say something smaller. Maintain your balance, and as a final challenge, we're going to do the same hands movements that we proved with our last class of catwalking. This means if we kick with the right leg, our hands go to the right. If we are going with the left leg, we are going to go with our hands with our left side. Yeah? So I'm going to show you. So if we are doing dog walking, we are going to do kicks. Pop, 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 pop. I know it's hard. It's hard. So, serve. So, now we are going to kick with our leg, and then our hands goes to the same side of our kick leg. Yeah? So, boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Period. So now we are going to practice simple dog walking and then double dog walking. We are going to do 4 counts in a simple dog walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we are going to do 2 kicks with the same leg. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and. So, Now we are going to practice our small choreography about dog walking. We are going to bounce in the place for counts. Then we are going to do 4 dog walks, simple dog walks. And then we are going to do 4 dog walks with double kick. Our hands could be in this way, could be here on the knees, yeah, or could be doing like a circle, especially when we are doing the double kick. So we are going to go with our arms here in the first 4 steps, 4 bounce, 4 jumps. Then we are going to go here in the simple dog walk, and then we are going to do circle in the double dog walk. I'm going to show you. So 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and bounce 2, 3, 4. Okay? Those are the first one. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we are going to do double, 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 double with circles in our hands. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. And the final phase is stretching. So don't forget that I have videos, full body stretching, just to have a full session of voguing. Well guys, thank you for being here. Thanks for being interested in this style. It's very beautiful. This type of style helps me to my femininity. So thank you for choosing me as your teacher. I'm very proud. I'm very excited to be here. If you can, and if you like, please leave me your comments, share with your friends, and give me a like, please. So this content could go to other parts of the world. So thank you. I hope to see you in my next lesson. Kisses and hugs. Bye.